Well, I put together the Blackstone. I've got to season the grill. So I've got a gas valve here at the barbecue, and it plugs into the trailer. And you can see in there, there's another gas valve. There's another gas valve right here. You got to open it. And you can hear it and you can feel it. Works pretty darn good. It collapses down on itself to where it's a portable little hand-built barbecue cart. So it sandwiches down flat. I've got the hoses on and I got the grill on. I'm not going to play with it right now, but I will do a video a little bit later. But that's my new Blackstone that I'll be cooking on. Got the two work areas, oil relief in the back. It comes back here to a tray, and you've got your tray with the aluminum. So, pretty darn nice, eh? What do I have to do next? Tomorrow I pick up the solars, the mounts for the Starlink and the new wiring, so I can wire in the Starlink. So I'll do the Starlink tomorrow, and then the following day I'll wire in the new charge controller for the solar. But that's why I got myself a little RV spot, so I can enjoy the air conditioning and upgrade and do everything. You guys be well. The dogs decided to go inside because it's air conditioned, and they're being so good. You guys take care, be well.